In this short video, I'm going to show you how to write and edit data packages, which is another kind of machine-readable metadata format. So in this example, I'm going to use a package from ROpenSci, which is called datapkg, and there's the website about it right here. Voila, which is just what I'm going to walk through right now. So if you by using DevTools, installing it directly from GitHub. So that's what I've done here in these commented outlines. Now I'm going to begin by writing a simple data package. I already have chosen a directory to put this data package in, and it's on the second. I'm going to put this on here. Okay. So I've already got a folder to put my data package in. It's empty. It's called gapminder_data package. You can call yours whatever you want. But I like to keep it in a separate directory from the rest of the project, so put it in a subfolder. To use data package, we're going to load it with library. And then I'm going to write data. So all the functions in this folder, there's only 3, and they all start with datapkg _. So you can use RStudio to really help you here by starting to write the name, and then it will suggest the rest of the function. So I'm going to go to data package write. Oh, I forgot gapminder. Library gapminder, and then the path is going to be to the gapminder data package folder. And I can even add the name of the data set, the gapminder capital data. And I call this data package.r. All right, so now I've got the object I'm going to write, the path for the data package, and the name, and I run that line. And you can see over here some new files got created inside that folder. Let's look at them. Let me put my video down here. Let's look at them. I've got this data package.json file, and I've got a data folder. And this data folder is inside the gapminder data package folder. So don't get it confused with your higher level data package for your project, or data folder for your project. So we look in here, we see the gapminder data CSV, and here we see data package JSON, and it looks a lot like the YAML file that we wrote in the CSVY example. Here we have the name of the data set, we have the name of each field and its type, which is a string. This is already good, so I'm going to commit this by adding the entire gapminder data package folder, including all the files inside of it. All right. Now that we have this file, we can start to edit it. So for example, right now, but I'm going to add a title and a description for this first column of gapminder, which is country. So the first thing I'm going to call it title, and then it's going to be name of country. Notice that I'm following the same format as the lines that the computer wrote for me. Each line ends in a comma. Everything is in quotation marks, separated by colons. This is called JSON, J-S-O-N, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it is very common on the internet. So we're just using it here to describe metadata. And I'm also going to add a description. You can put in whatever you want, whatever is useful or relevant for your data. All right, and as I've modified that file, you can see it's appeared over here in the Git tab with a little m next to the name. So I'm going to now add it, and you can see in green what I added, and I'm going to add a commit message like for the countries. Done. And you just carry on like this until it's all done. And that is how you create and write metadata in a data package.